remember the table?
No.
No. Okay. We shall start. First one question to choose the options. I have not written the options. We'll solve it direct. 2, 10, 30 degree and 1 plus 10 square 30 degree. So 2 into 10 30 degree is 1 upon root 3 whole upon 1 plus 10 square 30 degree. So 30 degree is 10 30 degree is 1 root 3 and square of it, that will be 2 upon root 3 whole upon root 3 into root 3 is 1 plus 1 upon 3. So is equal to 2 upon root 3 whole upon LCM 3 plus 1 upon 3. That will give 2 upon root 3 upon 4 by 3. This root 3 will come down, this 3 will go up. 2 root 3 and here it will come 3 upon 4. Okay. 3 root 3 cut and here root 3 is left. Because 3 means root 3 into root 3 is 2 times root 3. So 1 root 3 cut. So left root 3. 2 ones are 2. 2. The answer is root 3 upon 2. Of which ratio the value is root 3 upon 2. So root 3 upon 2 is value of sine 60, which is in the option. Sine 60, that is A option. This is your answer. Root 3 upon 2 is of course also cos 30 degree, but it is not in the option. Okay. Sine 60 degree. Did you get all of you?
Yes.
Next one. 1 minus 10 square 45. 10 45 degree is 1. 1 minus 1 square upon 1 plus 1 square is equal to 1 square is 1, 1 minus 1 and 1 plus 1 square is 1 is equal to 0 upon 2. Therefore answer is 0. That is option number D. This is your answer. Next question is number 3, sine. We have to find sine 2a and 2 sine a. Both are equal. Only when a is what? Actually these two are different categories. This is different ratio. If I put sine as 30 to 30 degrees, what is the ratio of 30 degree? Sine 30 degree is half. And 2 into sine A, that is again 30 degree I am taking, so that is half. Now here direct is there, so it will be 1. But here it is, this 2 will come here. So sine 1 upon this will become 4. So these two are not equal. I think only when 0 is there, because sine 2a is 0 degree, that means 0. At 0 degree it is 0 and 2 sine 0 degree is 0. So this will be 2 into 0 is 0 and 0 upon 2 will go, that is also 0. So this 2 will be equal. Only at 0 degree these two are. So first option, that is A, 0 degree is right. Did you understand? When it is 2a, then 2 into a it is. But when 2 is here before sign, so it will be a upon 2. This is the difference. Okay. 2, 10. Now 2 into 10 30 degree is 1 by root 3 upon 1 minus 1 by root 3 square. 2 upon root 3 whole upon 1 minus 1 by 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3 and 1 square is 1. Again 2 by root 3 upon this 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 1 upon 3, that is 2 root 3 upon 3 minus 1 is 2 by 3. So here 2 will remain same, root 3 will come down, this 3 will go up and this 2 will be down, remain down. 2 and 2 is cut, root 3 and root 3 is cut and root 3 is left, so answer is root 3. And for which option root 3 is the answer? It is C option, 10, 60. The answer is root 3. Did you understand? You have to find this from the table. Root 3 is matching which measurement? We'll go for question 3. If 10 a plus b, simple, we have seen in some example, one of the examples. 10a plus b, that is root 3 is where? A plus b, for 10 root 3, a plus b root 3 is at 60 degrees, so I'll put a plus b 60 degrees, and a minus b 1 by root 3, 10 1 by root 3 is 10 1 by root 3 is 30 degrees. So you have to remember the table, okay, or else whenever you are sitting for calculation, just write the table nearby, okay. पास में कहीं भी टेबल लिख लेना है. Even in exam during paper, you have to write the table in the walking rough work. Now we got the both equations. Here we shall add the equations. Plus b minus b 0, and this you will get 2a is equal to 60 plus 30 is 90 degree. So a is equal to 90 upon 2, that is 45 degree. You got a is equal to 45. Then b will be what? Put one of the equations, value of a in one of the equations. A minus b is equal to 30 degree. I'll put here 45 minus b is equal to 30 degree. Therefore minus b is equal to 30 minus 45 degree. That is, you will get minus b minus 15. Cut minus b, minus minus sign, so b is 15 degree. A is 45 degree. Here it is proved a is greater than b.